Hello and welcome to the U.S. Navigation Inland Rule video for Rule 23. Rule 23 covers the light requirements for power-driven vessels underway. Rule 23A states that a power-driven vessel underway shall exhibit a masthead light forward, a second masthead light abaft of and higher than the forward one, except that on a vessel of less than 50 meters in length shall not be obligated to exhibit such light, but may do so. Side lights and a stern light. Okay, let's review this in this diagram so we can illustrate what the rule is stating. In these diagrams, I'm going to illustrate the light requirements in the arc of visibility that the rules require, so you further your knowledge on them as we go through them. It'll give you a visual. So power-driven vessels underway must display a masthead light forward, a second masthead light abaft and higher than the first one, except that of a vessel of less than 50 meters in length shall not be obligated to exhibit such a light, but may do so. Side lights and a stern light. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second so you can take a picture or screenshot to help you in your studying. Rule 23B states that an air cushion vessel, when operating in the non-displacement mode, shall, in addition to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-round flashing yellow light where it could best be seen. So let's review it in this diagram and break it down to give you a visual of these light requirements. The first thing that the rule states that they must have the lights prescribed in Rule 23A. Those lights are a masthead light, side lights, a stern light. Then in addition to those lights, they need to have an all-round flashing yellow light. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second so you could again take a picture or screenshot of this to help you as you're studying. Rule 23C states that a power-driven vessel of less than 12 meters in length may, in lieu of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-round white light and side lights. So let's go ahead and follow the same process. Continue to break these down in the diagram to give you a visual of what the rule is stating. The very first call out is that this is for power-driven vessels which are less than 12 meters in length. Then when the rule is stating is that instead of having these lights from Rule 23A, they can have an all-round white light and side lights. And again, I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second so you can take a picture or screenshot this image. Rule 23D states that a power-driven vessel, when operating on the Great Lakes, may carry an all-round white light in lieu of the second masthead light and stern light prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. The light shall be carried in the position of the second masthead light and may be visible at the same minimum range. So what this is simply stating is that a power-driven vessel operating on the Great Lakes can have, instead of the second masthead light and a stern light, an all-round white light in their place. And this rule is specific only to the U.S. Inland Navigation Rules. So go ahead and make a note of that for your final exam. Okay, so again with this one, a lot of information in a really short amount of time. But go ahead and keep studying these. Make sure you pay close attention to Rule 23D because that rule is only specific to the U.S. Inland Navigation Rules. It's not in the international rules. Go ahead and keep studying, and when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you in the next video.